Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Schedule Apex, Advantage, Drawback, Limitation, Execution. Scheduled Apex. Salesforce provides a very great feature of scheduling an Apex class. Use schedule with an Apex class that implements the schedulable interface to schedule the class. Apex Scheduler let us delay execution so that we can run Apex class at a specified time. To take advantage of the scheduler, write an Apex class that implements the schedulable interface and then schedule it for execution of a specific schedule. It should have to define the execute method. 100 jobs can be scheduled at a time. If we want to know the status of the job, we can write a SOQL or cron trigger object using job ID generated by system.schedulable method invocation. Any job that is schedulable in Salesforce will be registered with cron expression. Cron expression is basically a string of 7 fields separated by white spaces that represents a set of times normally as a schedulable to execute some routine. Schedule Apex class manually using declarative process. Setup, build, develop Apex classes. Schedule Apex. Step 1. Choose Apex class. Step 2. Enter job name. Step 3. Define time trigger. Step 4. Save. Schedule a job. Job name. It can be any unique string, cron expression, time at which job has to fire, object, object of the class which implemented schedulable interface should be passed as parameter, stop, schedule jobs, system.abort job, job ID. This method will be used to stop jobs which are scheduled running, pass ID of the job which we want to stop. Advantage of Schedule Apex. Apex Scheduler provides a medium to run Apex classes at specific times. This is an ideal way for scheduling maintenance tasks that need to be executed on a daily or weekly basis. Drawback of Schedule Apex. We must use extreme care. If we are planning to schedule a class from a trigger, we must be able to guarantee that the trigger won't add more scheduled classes than the limitation of scheduled Apex. We can only have 100 scheduled Apex jobs at one time. The maximum number of scheduled Apex execution per 24 hours period is 250,000, or the number of user licenses in our organization multiplied by 200, whichever is greater. Execution of scheduled Apex cron expression: second, minute, hour, day, month, day, week, year. Demo schedulable, this is the class name. DS equals to new demo schedulable. In the same format I am giving like cron expression. String cron expression: 0 would be second, 6 is minute, again 6 is hours, 23 is day of month, 12 is month, day, week is question mark, year is 2020. String job ID equals to system.schedule in bracket sj cron expression comma ds. For example, create a schedulable Apex. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to open developer console. Here I am going to create one new class, file, new Apex class by the name demo schedulable. Click on OK button. Public class demo schedulable implements schedulable. Public void execute schedulable context se list of accounts equals to select id comma rating from account where industry equals to energy. For account a, accounts a dot rating equals to hot. Update accounts. Here we are finding all the accounts with industry equals to energy, and in this we are updating that all the industry equals to energy records rating equals to hot. Click on file, save. So before executing this schedulable class, first I am going to create some of the account name by industry equals to energy. So clicking on account, clicking on new button, creating the account name Raju, and industry I am taking energy. Clicking on save button, I am not providing any rating. So coming to developer console, for executing this class, first I am going to click on debug, open execute anonymous window, and here I am providing the class name demo schedulable, ds equals to new demo schedulable, string cron equals to second, 0, minute 20, hour 6, day month 23, month 12, day week question mark, and year 2020. I am providing ID, job ID equals to system.schedulable. Here I am providing testing message, comma, cron, comma, ds. For scheduling the job, your time also going to matter. So for that, I am going to check out my time zone is what, my setting, personal, language and time zone. Here I am going to choose my time zone, that is 5:30 IST Asia Kolkata. Clicking on save button. Again I am going to my schedulable class. So while clicking on execute button, it is going to schedule. Click on debug only. Again coming back to setup, click on jobs, schedule jobs. Right now we are getting this testing job 6:26 a.m. This is scheduled and submitted 6:25 a.m. Salesforce network. So if we are going to accounts and clicking on recently created record Raju, so we are seeing here right now we had created the account name Raju and industry is energy, type is prospect, and we had not provided any rating, and it's by the scheduled job its rating is coming hot. Thank you.